Dog Sofa Bed. 7 tips to choose a dog sofa. In this video, you will discover 7 simple tips to choose a dog sofa bed for your pet. Although dogs tend to lay almost anywhere, they do need a proper and comfortable place for napping and sleeping. Given so many dog sofa beds on the market, making a selection can be overwhelming. Kindly continue watching this video until the end to learn how to choose the ideal sofa bed for your dog. Tip number 1. Choose the right size for your dog sofa. Choosing the appropriate dimensions for your canine's bed is of great importance. In fact, the sofa needs to be large enough for your dog to be able to lie comfortably in all natural positions. To make sure of this, it's better that you measure your dog from nose to tail while it's sleeping or laying down. Then add about between 8 to 12 inches, meaning 20 to 30 centimeters, to determine the right length or diameter. In case your dog isn't fully grown yet, you may want to select a bigger sofa bed than you need and temporarily add some blankets or padding to make your dog or puppy feel more secure. Tip number 2. Opt for the right dog bed type. There exists a plethora of shapes and sizes in dog sofas. Box beds or sided sofas may help your dog feel cozy, warm, and protected. Other beds might be better in summer when dogs may want to stay cooler. However, each canine has its preferences, therefore it's always best to give it a couple of options to ensure its comfort. To do this, there are 2 main things to take into consideration. A. The dog bed should be sufficiently padded and made from comfortable materials, and B. It should be easy to wash. These 2 characteristics will enable your dog to always feel cozy while lying in its bed. They will also help while you deal with issues such as incontinence, odors, and allergies. As a matter of fact, saliva, stains, and moisture foster the growth of bacteria. That's definitely not healthy for your home or for your loving dog. That's why a dog sofa bed should be easy to wash and clean. It's therefore better to opt for a waterproof bed. Tip number 4. Find a bed that fits well in your home. While your dog's comfort in its new sofa comes in the first place, you certainly don't want it to dominate, or worse, disarrange the room. It is therefore important that you choose a bed that will both fit most places and complement the decor of your home. Tip number 5. Look for a durable dog bed. You certainly don't want to change your dog's sofa bed almost monthly. To avoid that, it's better to invest in a high-quality dog bed. This is because dogs don't just sleep in their beds. They may bite, scratch, chew, roll on them, or even drag them around. Prior to being fully trained, some dogs may even urinate or defecate on their sofas. A dog bed should, thus, be made from comfortable yet sturdy materials that protects the filling inside. Tip number 6. Take your dog's preferences and needs into account. If your dog has arthritis, for example, beds with very thick padding or memory foam may be best. If it chills often, you may opt for heated dog sofas. As for canines that crawl beneath the beds or find other secluded areas to sleep, a hooded bed is the way to go. Tip number 7. Try to select a portable bed. Many people may neglect this tip while choosing their dog sofa. However, being able to easily move the bed around and transport it may prove to be very practical at times. If you follow our 7 tips on how to choose a bed sofa for your dog, you certainly will opt for the right option. However, there is one dog sofa bed that has all 7 of these criteria: the Delvix Pet 4-in-1 Luxury Dog Couch. This high-quality product is not only eco-friendly and waterproof, but also is very easy to clean. In addition to being foldable and resizable, this Delvix dog sofa bed will fit any space within your house and be comfortable for any dog, regardless of its size or preferences. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for new videos. If you know of other ways to choose your dog's bed, kindly comment and share them with our viewers.